and welcome back. The reason I have these weird wings right now is because, yes, as the title says, I'll be reviewing an eyeliner stamper. I've seen these products floating around for a few years now, and I've always been curious about them because the idea of just stamping a wing on seems really simple and really tempting. But the reason I've been hesitating about purchasing them is that in the past, every time I bought an easy eyeliner thing, you know, whether it's an eyeliner stencil or an eyeliner sticker, they're never made for my eyes. So yeah, I kind of got discouraged, so I never took the plunge. But then I discovered this brand, Feisty Chick, that supposedly created these eyeliner stampers with Asian eyes in mind. And I did get these products for free. Thank you so much to Feisty Chick. I probably wouldn't have taken the plunge otherwise because I have given up on trying to find products for my eye. The Feisty Chick has two types of wings available, a shorter one and a longer one. I got both of them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the gift. So when you buy them, there's the eyeliner stamper and there's also a normal eyeliner for you to fill in the gap. Anyway, so I'll give you a short, quick, less than 1 minute eye makeup tutorial with this winged liner and review it as well. So let's get on to the tutorial, shall we? So yes, I have my fake eyelashes on. I had them on earlier and I just didn't feel like taking them off. And plus with monolids, because fake eyelashes can change the shape of monolids so much, it is easier to put on your fake lashes on first to get the placement of your eyeshadow correct. Especially if you've got brand new lashes and you don't know how they'll make your eyes full. Anyway, after the lashes, I'm putting on my favorite primer out there. It's the Eccentric Cosmetics primer. I've been using this for years. You all know I love it. Okay, this makeup look is very simple. First, I just take a glittery eyeshadow, pick anything you like, and I use my finger and just put it all around my eyes. And then I grab a translucent powder. And with a fluffy blending brush, I just rub it at the edges of the glittery eyeshadow just to make sure there's no hard edges. And after I'm done, I just take a darker color and I apply it on the outer edge of my eye and blend it inwards, not going more than somewhere in between 1/3 and half of my eye. And I also kind of brush it outwards into a wing. And that's pretty much it. It's a very simple look. That's what I do when I'm in a hurry. Okay, so now I'm using the eyeliner stamper. I'm taking the left side and stamping it on. I recommend keeping your eyes open for this step just so you get the placement right. And okay, yeah, it's very easy. I personally prefer a just the tip eyeliner. That's the beauty of monolids. I can get away with just doing the tip of my eyeliner and nothing else. But for the sake of this review, I will line my entire eye and check it out. So I learned the hard way that turns out this eyeliner does take some time to dry, which is not that great for monolids because, as you know, with monolids, your lids just fold in every which way. So as soon as I open my eye, they did smudge. Whoops. For comparison, I stamped my right eye and I only did just the tip. So from up close, you can see that the wing that I drew myself is much sharper, and that's what I prefer because I do take close-up pictures. But from afar, as you can tell from the video, from afar, the wing I drew and the wing that I stamped on, they look the same. So personally for me, if you're in a hurry and you don't take close-up pictures of your eye makeup, this is great. Like, just stamp and go. It's really quick. You're also not limited to just one wing style with this. If you do like the puppy liner or the Korean style liner where it's more straight outwards instead of an upward wing, you can do it with this liner too. Just change the position of the stamper and stamp on, and you can even redo it multiple times until you get the wing you like, and then just neaten everything with the regular liner. I'm really happy about how fast it is to do your eyeliner with this. If I'm still working, I wouldn't even need the regular eyeliner. All I do is stamp the tips of my eyeliner and go to work that way. I like it because it's really that easy, but of course this is a first impression review, and of course I have to do the wear test. So first part of the wear test, I've stamped the eyeliner on my hand and I'm running it through water, and it is waterproof. When I rub it, some of it did come off, but you know, I think most eyeliners will perform this way when I've run it through water and rubbed it hard, so not hating on the product for this. Next, I'll do the smudge test without any water. So I've stamped it on my hand again, and as you can see, it is smudge proof. So this product is smudge proof and waterproof, but it probably cannot handle both water and smudging. So yeah, if you're going to do some extreme sports, this eyeliner may not be for you. Why you will wear eyeliner during extreme sports, I'm not that sure, but you're a very brave soul if you're gonna attempt that. Anyway, I did the wear test the next day so I can see how long it lasts. Here's the eyeliner just stamped on, and then the eyeliner after I drew it at 10 a.m. Now this is the eyeliner at 4 p.m. It's still looking good, and at 8 p.m. I took off my lashes so you can see the eyeliner better. As you can see, it's still looking good. So yes, this eyeliner will last you the whole day. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this entire review. If you have any questions or tutorial requests, feel free to write them in the comments below or hit me up on IG. I do try to respond to all my DMs. It's working with MONOLIDS too. Anyway, thanks again for watching the entire thing, and I'll see you next time. See you!